Looking for a powerful gaming laptop without completely destroying your wallet? This is the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 FX607VU-ES51, a machine built for gamers, creators, and students who want serious performance with RTX graphics, a fast 144Hz display, and strong cooling. But is it actually worth buying in 2026? Let's find out. The ASUS TUF Gaming F16 keeps that signature TUF design language, aggressive, clean, and durable. It weighs around 2.2 kilograms, so it's not ultralight, but still portable enough for school, office, or gaming on the go. The build feels solid, and ASUS includes a one-zone RGB backlit keyboard with a dedicated Copilot key. The keyboard is comfortable for both gaming and typing, and the large touchpad works surprisingly well. Power supply 240-watt AC adapter. Now let's talk performance. This laptop is powered by the Intel Core 5-210H processor with 8 cores and 12 threads, paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU running up to 140 watts. And honestly, that's the highlight of this machine. The RTX 4050 also supports AI features and ray tracing, making this laptop great not only for gaming, but also for video editing, streaming, and content creation. One thing to note, this model comes with 8GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB Gen 4 SSD. The SSD is fast, but honestly, 8GB RAM feels a little limited in 2026, especially for multitasking and newer games. ASUS also improved cooling on the TUF series. You get dual arc flow fans, multiple heat pipes for exhaust vents, and anti-dust technology. Up front, you get a 16-inch Full HD Plus display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. Resolution is 1920 by 1200, and more importantly, it has a 144Hz refresh rate with G-Sync support. That means smoother gameplay, less screen tearing, and a much better experience in fast-paced games like Valorant, Warzone, or Fortnite. The anti-glare coating also helps during long gaming sessions or outdoor use. Port selection is excellent here. You get HDMI 2.1, Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-C with DisplayPort and G-Sync support, dual USB-A ports, Ethernet LAN, and Wi-Fi 6. So whether you're connecting external monitors, gaming accessories, or fast storage, this laptop is fully ready. Battery 56 watts for S1P for cell Li-ion. If you want strong RTX 4050 gaming performance, a smooth 144Hz display, solid cooling, and upgrade options at a reasonable price, this is definitely one of the better gaming laptops in its class.